Hi children, I am here with second part of chapter 4, that is sorting materials into group. We will start this video with an activity. Some activity to understand in a better way classification. Okay, so first activity I named activity 5.1. We will do this to understand classification of things which are made of more than one kind of materials. Observe things like plate, pen, furniture, table, mats, door, water container, jacket, etc. Okay, and identify the material they are made of and record your observation in table 5.1. Add 3 more things to your list of your own choice. Take help of your friend, teacher, parent in collecting information about as many things as possible. So see, first one is plate. Now you can see around your plate can be made up of steel, glass, plastic or paper. You have seen paper plate also. Same way think about pens. Pens can be made of plastic or metal. Now bamboo pens are also available. Okay, the eco-friendly pen. Then you can include in furniture. We have wooden furniture, cane furniture, then wrought iron furniture. So metal furnitures are also there. Okay, plastic furnitures are. So we can include all this in our observation. Take example of table mats. So table mat can be of cloth, cotton material, synthetic or paper, or we are having you can take example of plastic. Same way for door, it can be wooden, it can be made of metal or plastic. Same way your list will go on continue. So I hope you are able to do this activity and you will enjoy this one. Now second activity we will talk about activity 5.2. We will do this to understand classification of different types of things that are made of same material. Okay, so we will collect information about different things that are made of same material like cotton, leather, paper, plastic, metal, wood. Now we will record our observation in the table 5.2 and we can take help of our friends, teacher, parent to collect information about as many things as possible. Okay, so one example of each is given and more you are supposed to add in the list. So see, cotton, so dress material, sari, dhoti, kurta, so many things can be made. Leather, jacket is given, you can guess, shoes are also there. Then belt, purse. Okay, paper, so books, paper napkin, magazine, so many things can be made, so that should be included in your list. I hope you are understanding. Plastic, so from plastic so many things you can list. Plastic pen, plastic tiffin box, water bottle. Okay, the lists are endless nowadays. About metal, so from metal we can say containers are made up of metal, then pens are there. So I hope you are able to understand this and do this activity and you will enjoy. How much? Now next, since I have explained in previous video also in this video what are the classification and everything, so now I am giving a short 4 to 5 questions I am giving so that you will better understand the chapter. First question I have given, name 2 things that are made of metal. So any 2 things you can name. And second is name 2 things that can be made from 2 different materials. First one the answer will be metal. You can take example of utensil, then pen, and name 2 things that can be made from 2 different materials. So I want 2 things that can be made from 2 different material like cotton. Okay, two things that can be made from two different materials. So suppose I have taken example of shoes. So shoes can be made of leather and it can be made of textile also. So same way the second you can take example of pen. It can be made of plastic and it can be made of metal also. So I hope you have understood this question. Now why does a shopkeeper group various items in his group? So I hope you have understood. For easy retrieval of thing, or we want to easily get the things where it is stored. Define classification. So what is classification? Classification is the process of sorting out and grouping things according to some basis or criteria is called classification. The use of material depend on its dash and dash. So the use of material is depending on its use and property, isn't? How we are using it depends on property and requirements. I hope children with this activity you